At 6, Warner Robins renews a state-mandated health plan that provides PTSD coverage for first responders. As 41 NBC's Brianna Sheffield reports, certain calls can be extremely difficult to handle.
We often look at police officers, firefighters, and 911 operators as heroes that aren't affected by trauma, but they are. This plan ensures first responders have access to mental health care and financial support if PTSD prevents them from working. Sergeant at the 911 call center in Warner Robins, Amber-Clayton, says emergency calls that stick with them most are from children and the elderly.
Unfortunately, over time, the mental health crisis in our community has grown, so those are starting to really have their effect on a lot of our dispatchers as well.
Clayton says most 911 operators carry trauma home after hours.
We have implemented a lot of programs throughout the 911 center, the sheriff's office, a lot of the local agencies. We have a peer support program in-house. My captain, Edens, and myself about 2017, 2018 started going through training to get the peer support certifications, and we've built that team up with the help of GSP, Warner Robins PD, County Fire, Warner Robins Fire. We all have peer team members available to our staff to help kind of mitigate with that trauma that they carry.
She says the peer support programs are good for minor calls, but this new health coverage will help with those major ones.
And I think that this program is going to help more greatly in the larger calls for, I guess, the employees that do need that extended absence to be able to kind of gather themselves and get the proper treatment and proper help from outside of what our peer support program can already do for them.
Clayton says she just wants all 911 operators to feel seen and heard.
Oftentimes the dispatchers are kind of forgotten about. A lot of people don't consider us first responders. It's still going through the House and the Senate and everything to even get us approved as being considered first responders. So I think this really puts it out there to them that they are supported. We are starting to be recognized as just as being as important as the other first responders out in public safety.
In Warner Robins, Brianna Sheffield, 41 NBC News.
The PTSD coverage is built into the Human Resources annual budget. According to the Georgia Department of Administrative Services, those benefits last up to 36 months, starting 90 days after the first responder is unable to continue their duties.